Welcome to Shopify Learner.
Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the second part of Turbo Shopify Premium theme. In our first video, I can tell you that how to customize the slideshow of Turbo Shopify theme and the header of the Turbo Shopify theme. In the second video, we can move to the next section without wasting our time. So the next section of our video is the rich text with image. So I tell you how to customize the rich text with image. As you can see that in this store he can place his logo and the little description about his store and with the button. So you can make the rich text exactly like that. Just to make it, we just copy and place it in the text section of rich text section, and you can see that there is description appearing here which is same at that store. Now we can remove the heading. As he can use his logo, we can also use our store logo, Shopify Learner. As you see, the logo is too big, so you can also change the logo. As I already copy the image of logo, so we can also use that store logo. As you see, there is a lavishly plush with a description appearing here, and how to customize the button. I can also tell you that when you move at the bottom in the rich text and image section, there is a button label. As you can use shop now to get the discount on all products, you can also write the same text on it. We just copy for the convenience. As you see, it can appears here. We can also remove the slideshow which cannot use in our video. So you just go to the slide image and click on the remove content. As you see, our font will be exactly like that. We can edit the two sections of Turbo Shopify Premium theme, rich text and image, and also the slideshow. Now we can move to the next section of that store which we can copy, is that image with text section. So first of all, we can add the image with text section. We just click on the add section, and in the add section we can go to the image, and here we can find the image with text. So as you can see that there is a two option in the image with text. First of all, the image at the left position and the text at the right position, and in the same way when we go to the bottom, the image in the right position and the text in the left position. So if you want to remove another text with image, you can simply go to this section and click on the remove content. Now you can see we have only one image and one text block, so we have to make exactly like that. So I already copy the image of that store. How you can copy the images is simply left click on the image and copy image, or save image into your PC at different locations. Now we go to image with text section. We click on the your headline, select image, upload, and click on that pic which we want as we save on our PC. Now you can replace the text with that store, which is lavish tops, and the description store. As simply here is the view all button. There is also view all button. So you simply connect this button with any of the links you want. Means you want to connect it with some of the collections. So here we baby collection. So you connect it with the baby collections. Now we can move to our next section, which is on that store, and that is same image with text, image at the right position and the text at the left position. So you simply add section image with text. Now that time we can remove the first section of this content. And now we have the image at the right side. So you can simply do the same as we do above. So you can upload the picture. As we can upload the picture, now we can simply copy the text and place it in the text section. Now we can simply write here lavish sets. Now we can complete our 4 section: slideshow, read text with image, and image with text section. Now we can move to our next section, which is also image with text. Simply you can do the same as we do above. Remove the second one. Simply go to it, select image, upload, and we select that picture we want. As select the image, click OK. Now simply copy paste the thing you want. Or you can also write your heading, means you want to sell some shoes, some dresses, and some other kind of accessories. So you can write the heading on this section. Simply copy this and put it into the text section. Here is a view all button. Simply connect it with anything you want: collection, product pages, products, a single product, or some other thing. Now our second section is the image with text overlay on it. We simply go to the add section, select image with text overlay, and just click on add. After clicking add, this can open a section. If you can go back and want to go in again, then simply click on your headline. Now you can play the same image as used by this store. As you can see, the image appears. Now you can select, simply copy paste, as it is written lavish